Hey YouTube, Male Cat Lady here. Little something different today even. Seems to be kind of a theme. I don't have anything scheduled, but went to Micro Center and I was planning on upgrading to a 2700X, and I was really excited because I was like, well, I want to get 2700X and get a new motherboard. I picked out this open box one they had online because it's like, oh, I'll bundle this. It's super cheap already. If there's anything wrong with it, obviously I can send it back. So in this video, I'm going to take a look at a Micro Center open box motherboard, and before I plug the CPU in and stuff, I just want to see if this thing, you know, if I can get it to the BIOS and see what it's like and see if it works and kind of stuff like that. It's got a lot of stickers on it, so it's been around the block. That's a pretty thick bunch of stickers there. This is like normally a $319 motherboard new. I don't know what it was when it was brand new because this is an X370 platform. So I was kind of, sales guy there was kind of trying to talk me out of buying that, and just going with an X470, which I might end up doing if this doesn't pan out. So this thing's been around the block quite a bit. It was marked down to $239.96. However, I found out that Micro Center does not bundle open box motherboards with the new CPU purchase, so this one might end up going back just based on that, because that's like, well, now it's not really that much of a deal anymore. I could just buy an X470 for basically the same price, brand new, even though they don't have this one out anymore. They don't have anything comparable really to it. But let's take a look inside the box, see what's there, see what's not. Dig her out, see what we got. Alright, as you can see here, someone already peeled off the Asus clear protector film. The one nice thing I think about buying the open box Ryzen motherboard is you don't have to worry about bent pins, because they use that type of socket. I mean, everything on here looks good. There's a little paint chipped off of here. The note said, oh, missing I/O shield. Well, it's an integrated I/O shield, so you can't really miss that unless someone really tampered with it. But looks like it's missing the brackets. I really wanted this motherboard. Let's see what the back looks like. Back looks fine. The guy said that something must have been resoldered or something on here just because of all the I guess hands it's changed, and they like to refurbish them, or however you want to say it. I mean, overall it looks like it's all there, it's all complete. Nothing looks really broken off or tampered with. You know, it looks clean. Got M2 things. Alright, we got a sheet of stickers. All the stickers are there, nothing's missing. Do not disturb. Silly. Instruction manual. A back plate of some sort. Is this a weird coaster? Yeah, different color stickers for something on here. CD-ROM. More stuff. Let's see what's underneath here. So we got cables. We got... So it looks like whoever changed hands with this thing, with the wireless antenna, that's still here. That's good. They didn't use any of the stickers. Got, is this like a fan header kind of thing? My God. Molex power fan header. Must be some sort of extension cable for... Must be an extension cable for something. I mean, it looks like everything's pretty much here. That SLI bridge even? Not like everyone uses that. Some sort of stand. I don't know. Oh, here's the brackets for the CPU cooler if you're using that, but I'm sure most people that buy this aren't using the stock thing anyway. There's a loose screw in here in the box. I mean, everything looks like it's intact to me. So I guess I'll see what I can get out of this thing. See if I can get it to post or do something with it, and see what happens.